Mikola, good
Hey
day.
Tim,
How
how
are
are
you?
you, mate?
We're talking at the same time.
Ah,
I'm
yeah,
good.
yeah,
I'm good.
yeah.
You?
So do I, bro. So do I. All good, all right.
So, what do we show our amazing Smart Match customers today?
Uh, Today I want to present a workflow. It's something in the middle between a manual matchmaking and an application usage. But the main reason this workflow is really great, it allows paid members, let's talk about paid members and free members, to have a direct access to the database, to see potential matches, the same list of potential matches as our matchmakers, see when they log in, and then through one click, this user or this member, sorry, can let a matchmaker know, like, I like this potential match, please introduce me. So
Okay.
it's time saver.
So it's a member portal that all of our
Mm-hmm.
clients can start,
Mm-hmm.
and they can use it in a fully self-managed, self-service way, like letting the
Yes.
clients actually match with each other, but we're not talking about that today.
Mm-hmm.
Or doing kind of a hybrid self-service. So
Yes.
instead of allowing the members in their database to connect with each other, chat with each other, which is possible for some of our
Yes,
clients
it
love it,
is.
but you're showing the hybrid, which is assisting the matchmaker by letting them like the profiles but not
Mm-hmm.
talk to profiles. So it's like
Yes.
between dating app and the
Mm-hmm.
matchmaking. So it's assisting matchmakers to actually get the preferences from their clients by flipping through profiles, but not
Mm-hmm.
contacting them. It's a
Yes.
matchmaking feature. It's gonna be, I think, a hit. Let's show it.
Let's do. Let me share my screen. Let's go to my video agency. Oh, not this one. Sorry. So, and it's pretty simple. I will not dive into details of a setup. Here, I already did a setup at my end. I have an automations which will notify me as soon as somebody will like a suggestion. So I will just go to a test profile and show you an end result. I will go to Jane first. So if I will go to her machine, she has 14 potential matches here.
So you're logged in as a matchmaker now.
Now I am logged in as a matchmaker. So as a matchmaker, I can go through all these potential matches and then make a final
And
decision.
we covered how to set it up so that matchmakers, so you guys can actually get the suggestions working for you, get the
Mm-hmm.
matchmaking algorithms customizable for you to work for you, so that you get the actual accurate suggestions. We covered that in another video. Go to our channel, check it out. But if you have it, check this out. Next step. First, you
Next
have to
step,
set it all up. That's something you can
yeah.
help.
And
The
I
next,
don't want to waste a lot of time, Tim, on settings because we can help with
I'm
this.
just
With
saying that to get those suggestions working, that our clients who are watching this can help reach out to you to, if they don't have it yet, set it up so
Sure.
that the suggestions start coming like that. It's a wonderful feature. Next.
Yes. Next, let's assume Jane is a paid client, and she has access to her profile and to her member portal.
Did we cover the whole member portal feature just yet?
No, we didn't cover the whole member portal feature.
Okay. So
Actually,
maybe we cover how to set up member portal next time so
yeah,
that.
yeah, 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 yeah. We can. We already covered introductions in one of our previous
Okay.
videos,
Okay.
introduction add-on, and now we have suggestions. So she logged into the system. She can see the same list, 14 potential matches.
Oh, I can see you already have the new feature, which is ID.
ID.
So you
Yes.
can you can actually, if you're really like one of the matchmakers who doesn't want their members to talk to each other before intros, you can literally hide the names of your
Yeah.
members, only show the ID in a photo, no names,
Mm-hmm.
location there, like you can see location and all the other not 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 private information like male, straight, 30 to
Yeah,
40
yeah,
years old.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's
We
not
have
like
this.
so personal, and you have no name, so it's hard to put together everything
Yeah.
for your clients if you really want to hide all this. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. And then what I can do, I can open this profile. I can go and check match details. As a
wonderful.
member, I can check what is matched based on my preferences and this member number 30 profile. So sexual orientation, age, height, body type, eye color, and activities. And also, I can check how my profile matches to Jane's
Yeah, it's a
preferences
reverse
here.
match, so you can see two way how you match the client and how the other member matches you.
Hmm. Yeah, and
Wonderful.
then I can do a simple click here, like, or both options can work. I just enabled both of them at the same
Well,
time.
so we're covering the fact that you cannot send request, right? So this can be.
Yeah, it will not be sent to anybody since only paid members will have access to member portal.
Uh-huh.
And request profile update on, or sorry, request connection works only between two members who have access. In this case, only paid members have access, so we can use request profile update or like. Why I enabled two of them at the same time? Because we can have some limitations for a number of connection requests possible to be sent. So likes are unlimited,
Yeah.
but connection requests, you can say 5 connection requests per month, and you can limit this number. And
Okay.
then you will not be bombarded with requests to introduce these members to a client,
Yeah.
but you will have a limit like 5 per month. But both they will work. Uh, and I sent a request also here. So let me log out from a member site. That's all on a member site. They will not see a connection. They will not see any contact details. I will just log out. I will log in back as an admin. Uh, and I will not share my inbox. I will just show you what's going on here. So as soon as I click that like, I have an automation on the backend that sent me an email that about Jane Jackson and link to her profile, and she requested an introduction of Esther and a link to her profile. Pretty simple. It's really simple approach, but it works. It really works, and it can save a lot of time because if you have a huge database, you have thousands of potential matches, and if members do not mind to help you, then this mixed approach, can work brilliantly.
Yeah. Look, you are instead of trying to manually find out the which people in
Mm-hmm.
your database match or what profiles your paid clients like or don't like. You can minimize this whole manual process by
Yep.
allowing your clients to actually preview and pre-match themselves,
Mm-hmm.
and then you can just complete it by checking the profile inside, getting a message. You can check the
Mm-hmm.
profile and see the match yourself. Let's open it up. Let's say we're a matchmaker
Yep.
and we are doing normal matchmaker, but look, you get already a like from your paid
Yep.
client, so you have an indication that there is a potential match here, success match maybe even. So
Mm-hmm.
let's click on the three dots and we can look at it ourselves and say, well, I know those clients and I think
Mm-hmm.
there will be actually a great match, or
Even
no.
with all these reds here.
Or no, I know Jane, for example. She will probably not like that. Uh, she's not divorced or not divorced
Mm-hmm.
yet. She's separated. She only wants to be to match with somebody who is only divorced
Yeah,
completely.
but then it's a question of a setup. Then under match preferences, before You allow clients to log in and do all this stuff. If you know for Jane is critical to be matched only, like, let's use an age range here.
If it's deal breaker for Jane, you can set it up to be a deal breaker. Clear.
Yep, it's a deal
Let's show.
breaker.
Let's show that.
Now we refresh suggestions. We have only 7
Right.
here.
And
So,
and they're still matching.
mm-hmm,
Okay.
mm-hmm.
By the way, you are setting up so women match with women. That's very
Yeah,
cool.
yeah, yeah. But why not? We are living in a modern world, team. Let's not be.
No, no, I'm just saying that if that's the use case, that's the use case. Wonderful. We have clients who are matching in every possible category, every possible niche, and even religions. There's no limit to matchmaking opportunities.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's it. That's right, team. So
Okay.
it's a simple workflow. I hope somebody will be interested, and we will have a few requests.
Well, this is a
Few.
real case, guys. So we are showing only real practical cases.
Mm-hmm.
These are actually cases that some of our clients use. We cannot show them you the exact names or the exact use case, but this is the best practice for clients who are interested in saving time, saving hours for yourself, for your team, and for your clients, and getting better matches, increasing
Mm-hmm.
customer satisfaction, I think, too, because allowing clients to look through profiles without knowing the names, it could be a
Mm-hmm.
great option for matchmakers, because matchmakers actually are positioning themselves differently than dating apps, so they don't want to lose that personal touch and that privacy
Mm-hmm.
aspect. But then you can just allow paid clients to view, like, and profiles without getting
Yeah,
connection. And
yeah,
that
yeah.
could work beautifully. And I think we should absolutely promote this feature. So thank you for sharing this.
My pleasure, Tim. Only one thing I want to add, since you already mentioned a client ID instead of a first name and last name. That's a new update. So just to let our customers know now, instead of a name, even the first name, when you send an introduction, let me check what's included here. It's a client ID. So no first name, no last name, no contact details. You can send it with just an ID number. It's a unique ID in SmartMatchApp, and then the recipient can provide you a feedback
Can you
uh,
search by ID
in the system.
in the search in the search bar? I don't know
Uh,
if you actually need it. I don't know if there is a use case for that.
you can. You should be able to do it. Maybe we
But
didn't.
who will remember those IDs? I don't know.
Yeah, it's just a privacy.
It's more like on external side
Mhm,
for other members to not to know the names of members,
mhm.
right? To hide the
Yeah,
member's name, but on the back, I'm sure that is not really useful. On the back, matchmakers will be searching by
yeah.
name.
And IDs are here in the link. And really soon we will have an additional field type, client ID. It's in progress, team. So then it will be searchable, and then even here, instead of a first name, last name, email, phone, and location, it could be just an ID,
Okay,
since this part is customizable now in a new version.
yeah, that's another. Once we roll out a new version, we can have a whole new series of videos for just to cover that.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
I think we covered short and sweet this amazing feature. It's a hybrid matchmaking feature, a wonderful feature. Let's hope our clients love it, use it, reach out to you, and get this in action. Thank you so much. And if you guys have, and I mean, if you are customers have any questions, you can just click in the contact us button, go to our YouTube channel. If you're watching it on YouTube channel, click on submit the request and the contact us, find, and then we'll contact you and set up a demo and a trial, or like a trial
Help
of
you
use
with the
case,
setup.
or
Help you
pilot, or pilot.
maybe even analyze your workflows. That's even the better approach. Analyze what you do daily because we have this
Yeah,
consulting
get a free
capabilities.
audit. Get a free
Yeah.
audit of your current workflow and see if you can automate and optimize even more.
Hmm.
Free audit with Mikola or Milan.
Yes.
Uh, it's no cost attached. I think it's a wonderful offer. Thank you.
My pleasure as always, Tim. Have a
So,
great day.
have a
Bye.
great day, everyone. Have a great day. Thank you.